After this. Hey, play that shit one time. One more time. Hey, I'm about to put it in there, brody.
When we do that video, it could be a clip, matter of fact.
Hey, man. Niggas know what the fuck going on, man. We in here with a whole lot of members, man.
I think my Glocks in my bed.
We in here with a whole lot of members, man. A lot of that going on. Let go.
I think about the Glocks that sleep on my bed. Oh, boy, when I'm praying, got one to the head. I get on one call, take my in the bleed. They get in the bed. I get in the spot, get in the bed. They only eat bricks. We been crack the folks out saying since niggas are niggas some more.
Bro got left on the floor. Don't speak on that shit. Yeah, switch with no. Don't speak on that shit. Yeah, niggas been here. Flash out 93, still back in my grill. Still looking fresh. We call that shit drill. Keep on popping out. Get them zip for a zip.
Get them zip for a zip. I bet 93, but I put on my crib. And I think we gon' cook cause I'm sipping on mud. I ain't speaking no shit fight. That's Bill Rambo. He ready to creek. Got killer in the back with a 223. I call him G5. He pushing to sleep. They make niggas see feet. And you know that I'm banging the 5. I'ma kill by my bro. I'ma slap by my guys. That nigga got tough. He ain't slapping no slime. Got a big ass P in the cabin. The fun. She got 20 with me. We ain't going for nothing. DOA on the team. Got no time for discussion. Niggas know what the fuck we got going on, yo. Niggas know got the guys in this bitch. Niggas know what the fuck we got going on, nigga. Yo, whole lot of Drakes on my phone.
Outside with the ARPs and Savages too, mama know I ain't going for shit. We kiss a curve with 3 9
dudes and them to be out here with a blitz.
I gotta get a close on, stand over and rock on hits. A whole lot of smoke. I go hoop with the odds like let some shit on the knees. Lee tryna bounce. I don't wait on my guard. We so in the stuff, I'm a blitz. Ain't with the trolling. I'm tryna bubble the odds right now. This shit getting lit. My pants on the op. And we got ritual feelings. He still get hit with that blitz. While he tryna bounce. I told him wait on my go. You know I'ma talk for the bros. Just to let you know. I gotta double my odds and you fall up and hit up. Flow. I got some shooters outside right now. I'm up in the yo. Lord, I can't forget about 5. We're gonna slide for the bro. The Glocks they stick on my bed.
Oh, but when I'm pointing, I got one to the head. Flesh, I get them hit. I get up one tall, 10 times in them head.
See I feel my shit.
But the same these niggas, I need me some more. He got left on the floor.
Yeah, streets with me know.
Niggas been here, flash out 93, still throwing my crib.
We call that shit drunk.
Keep on popping out, get them zip for a zip. Yo, we got the members in here, you know what the fuck we got going on, man. A lot of yeah, nigga, shit to my mama, niggas know what the fuck we got going on, yo. Yo, bleh. Got the bros in here.